Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting on a 16 by 20 inch canvas today. We're doing 4 flip cups. All of my colors, except for the white, are Liquitex. The white is Artist Loft, but starting on my left, we've got gold, cadmium red deep hue, Mars black, turquoise blue, titanium white, phthalo cyanine blue, and titanium white. So I am going to do 2 layers of each color in the 4 cups, starting with the gold, ending with the white. So I'm going to get that done and then I'll bring you back. Okay, there are the cups all filled up. You can see I ended with the white. Let's get them flipped over. Okay, so as I said, Liquitex and Artist Loft paints. For the Liquitex, I have mixed it 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium, give or take a little bit, just depending on the color. You've probably noticed when you mix up your paints, some are thinner, some are thicker, and you have to adjust. So either add more pouring medium, add more paint, add a splash of water. The Artist Loft, I've mixed 1 part paint to 1 part pouring medium. My pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue wall, 40% water. I have added silicone to all the colors except the white and the black. I've got about 120 grams of mixed paint and pouring medium, and I added 3 drops of silicone. I didn't want a huge amount of cells, so I went a little less on silicone. But we're gonna wait for these cups to release, and once they have released, I will bring you back. Okay, I think we've given the cups long enough. I can see in some areas they have released. So hopefully this is gonna look good. Oh, that blue is strong. We're getting a kind of a darker goldy brown. So that's probably the blue and the gold mixing. It could be the red. I was hoping more of an orange, but it looks more pinky brown. So, oh well. Just like to wet the top edges. It looks very pretty. I'm really liking the colors. Yeah, I guess it's an orangey brown we're getting from the gold and the red next to each other. Okay, last one. That was not that good of a pull. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, we are gonna flip this around. So I've got so much to cover on the other end now. Okay, yeah, see, it looks pinky there, browny there, almost a magenta right there. Okay, let's start moving this paint. Should have more than enough paint. Let's get over that edge. Bring our paint back. We're gonna stretch to the other corner. I thought the phthalo cyanine blue was going to be dominant, but it looks like it's the turquoise. We will give it a torch. Got a couple cells popping up. They're looking very pretty. I added the second cup of white because I didn't want this to be too dark, and it's still pretty dark. So hopefully the cells that pop up have some nice white rings around them. Give that a second to do its thing. I've got a couple bubbles that I really want to pop, and they weren't popping with the torch. That one doesn't seem to want to pop for me. There, got that one. There's some white cells popping up in there. Just can't get that bubble popped. Okay, nice little cluster there. Little bear kind of in that area. And we need a little bit more there. We got some gold popping up. Happy with that. Okay. Got some little ones coming up there. Got a few more in there. That turquoise blue's popping up in with the white over there. Looking very nice. Still a little bare here and here. Hopefully I didn't make one of my paints a little thicker than the rest. I'm pretty sure I didn't. There we go. Yeah, I did use, as I said, a bit less silicone than I normally would use. Oh, we got some more gold ones popping up there. Very pretty. Just giving a chance for the cells to grow a bit before I finish stretching them out. I must say I love those ones there, so I'm going to try my best not to lose those ones. Okay. We're just walking the paint down. Oh, I lost a lot of those turquoise cells. That makes me sad. Let's go over our last corner. Just bringing the paint back to the center. There, give me 1 second, I'll get you zoomed in. So there, all zoomed in. I'm really liking these colors together, loving the white around a lot of the cells. I was hoping for that. And then the gold in with the red. I was hoping to get more of an orange. Kind of got it in some areas, but it's more gold and red. So can't win them all. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.